In today's video, I am going to teach you how to request time off on Gusto app. To begin, open the Gusto app and make sure you are signed in to your employee account. Once you are at the main screen, look to the left side menu and select Home. This is the central hub where you can access key employee tools, including your time off options. From the Home area, find and select Time Off. This takes you to the section where you can view your current balances, see any upcoming time off, and submit a new request. Take a moment to glance at your available hours if they are shown, so you have a clear idea of what you can request before submitting anything. Next, choose Request Time Off. This opens the request form. In this form, you will first select the policy you want to use. For example, you might choose vacation or sick, depending on what applies to your situation. It is important to choose the correct policy because it determines how the time is tracked and how your balance is affected. If you have more than one option, select the one that matches your company guidelines and the purpose of your absence. After selecting the policy, move on to selecting your dates. Choose the day or range of days you plan to take off. Be careful to confirm the start date and end date are correct, especially if your request spans multiple days. Then enter the hours per day. This is where you specify how much time you are taking off for each date you selected. If you are taking a full day off, enter the number of hours that matches your normal workday. If you are taking a partial day, enter only the hours you will be away. Double-check each day in the range so the hours accurately reflect your plan. When everything looks correct, submit by selecting Request and Record. This sends your request through the system and records it for tracking. After submitting, review your time off page to confirm it appears as requested, and keep an eye out for any approval updates based on your company process. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.